Question 2. Question 2 is a global question. It's asking about the game as a whole, not in any one scenario. So we'll have to go answer choice by answer choice, consulting our previous work to eliminate things until we find something that must be true. Answer choice A says that the 1 has to be before the 2. We can see that in our master sketch that doesn't have to be true. In the second scenario we drew, the 2 is the first one, so 1 doesn't have to come in front of it. Answer choice B says that the digit 1 appears before the 3. If we look back at our sketch from question 1, we can see that that doesn't have to be the case. 1 can come after 3. Answer choice C says that the 2 appears before the 3. Now this is going to be our answer, and we can confirm it looking at the master diagram that we drew. In that master diagram, in the first scenario, 2 is in the second spot, and the 3 would have to be after it. The only thing in front of it's a 1. In the second scenario, the first digit is a 2, so everything is after it, including the 3. Since those are the only two scenarios that can happen, that means that the digit 2 does have to be in front of the digit 3. So we would pick that as our answer, but just to quickly cover why D and E aren't the answer, D says that the 3 appears before the 0. We've seen the 3 come after the 0 in both questions 1 and 3. And answer choice E, the digit 4 appears before the 3. Well, if we look back at the top sketch for question 3, we can see that that doesn't have to be the case because 4 can be last. So, answer choice C is our answer. Now move on to question 4.